set and designs, and I'm bringing to you a WaterTok. It's a TikTok trend. I took it a step further because I'm OCD to a point. I love organization. Anything to do with organization, as many of y'all already know if you've seen my past videos. I kind of went a little bit overboard, so I purchased this container. This is plastic, and it has plastic drawers, and I put my drink packets in these. Okay, then I went another step further, and these are the ones that I just purchased, some of them. I went another step further, and I purchased the PDF of the labels to put on the front of the drawers, as you can see on some of these, and I'm missing a bunch I still need to purchase. I just put masking tape on the back, and then I just stick this on the front of the drawer. So that's going to go with the all pink. See how it basically matches? I hope you can see pretty well. And then this one is for the Jolly Rancher green apple. And then I'll show you the rest back behind here. But I purchased, I already have these in the drawers, but I purchased these. This is the Cotton Candy Mermaid Peach Ring and Unicorn, and the Lime Banana Coconut and Mango. And you can also mix flavors together to, and I have different recipes for that. I'll put pictures up of some of those that you can mix together. And I don't have any of the syrups yet. I need to find those. But there's the Starburst All Pink. And I also want to let y'all know where I purchased all these was at Dollar General, not Dollar Tree. Dollar General, these were $1 a box. One of these were $1.25, but the rest were $1 a box. So I still need to get the label for the Pure Kick Hydrate Sonic Limeade. I have this one right here. And I purchased, my favorite is the Margaritaville Pina Colada. And I've gone through so many already. This is the box that I already opened. I already opened 4 of these. Some are in here. I have them here and here. The rest of these, 4, 3, 4, 7 more boxes I have not opened yet. I bought every single one they had. Every time I go at $1 a box, I'm going to purchase every single box they have. That's just going to be a given. So I purchased, let me move all these out of the way. So I purchased this container from Amazon. It was about $50. This can all, I mean, if I decide to not do this someday, this can also be used for something different, like beads or whatever. I had 2 in Missouri before I moved. I left them both because I could not fit them in the little car I rented. I had to purchase another one, and I might even purchase another one. There's also, let me see, let me turn this around. These, let's see if you can see them. These dividers. Well, I'm gonna do it. There's these dividers that can be snapped out and put in here in the center. So there's all these. This can also be hung on, I don't know if you can see that. This can also be hung on the wall. And I'm also just now doing this video because I had to purchase a tripod. my other tripod broke. Okay, let's see if I can do this without spilling everything. So back it up a little bit. So the Weiler's light, and I want to get some other ones as well. So these are here and here. And I just have these mixed. You can only put so many. It starts to get kind of sticks in there when you can't get it out. So these are what they look like. They're all separate. If I had more drawers, I would separate these even. And then some of these are just plain. I think one is older, one's newer. You can also put these labels on the inside if you choose, or you can put them on the outside. So this is on the inside, but I don't know how I get it to stick. And this is on the outside. I just use a piece of masking tape and stick it on there. It's good enough. And then you just dump your flavors in there. So then when you want to go, when you want to open the drawer and grab one, you know exactly where it's at. And I'll have to organize these better. You know, you can obviously move your drawers around. Because obviously I want all my Weilers together, all my Welch's together, you know, all that. Because more organization. So here's the Jolly Rancher green apple. And like I said, I have 2 boxes of these. I have not opened these yet. Let me lower this down a little bit. Of course, I put them in there backwards. I don't know if I can fit all these in one drawer. I know it holds a little over a box. And you can fit them in there, but that it's not gonna close. So maybe all but 2, which is fine. And I might have a drawer where I have some mixed, maybe, I don't know. Some of these I only have 1, some I only have a few. Some of these I don't have the labels, obviously, for. Sunkissed Blood Orange. And that's also Sunkissed Blood Orange. Sunkissed Mango Orange. So I tried to put all my Sunkissed together. This is older. These might even get, ooh, thunder. Some of these other ones might even get thrown away because they're old. Some are great value. Anyway, some of them I do not have the labels for. Dole Tropical Splash is very good. Snapple Fruit Punch. So I've gone through the labels that I have. That's the blue PK Energy Jolly Rancher Blue Raspberry. So I have a bunch. Like I said, I still need labels for some. So I will be contacting the lady that I purchased the PDF file from and getting more. And then she sends me the file and then I print it. And then I cut out the little labels and put them on here. And I will probably put this on the wall to give myself more shelf space. I mean, it's not heavy whatsoever. Let's see this one. The Sonic Ocean Water I need a label for. There's more cherry limeade. The ones I like, I purchase again. So all these boxes are empty now. And I'll have all the extra of the Margaritaville, obviously. But I won't stay on here too long. I just wanted to show y'all my organizational idea. If you get on the WaterTok groups on Facebook, there's different people doing different organization ideas. There's recipes for your different water flavor combinations. I still have some empty Tampico mango punch. Like I need a bunch. So eventually I'm gonna have a label on every single one of these soon because I need to contact her today. And if she has it, she'll send it to me. If she doesn't, she will make it. So I just wanted to show y'all this, and you can obviously figure out how many drawers it is. There's also different. We have a storm coming. Jeez. There's different sizes of these that you can purchase with different amounts of drawers. Just look on Amazon. I believe I put the Amazon affiliate link because I am an Amazon affiliate in my post. So go look there obviously on YouTube, and then I get a little bit of a kickback when you purchase using my link. I have quite a few different affiliate links in there, and I will be adding more as well. And I will update there as well as I find more flavors. And like I said, I'll put the pictures of the recipes, a few of the different recipes of the mixes in this video. And I appreciate y'all watching. But yeah, my OCD-ness gone crazy. This is just one of the little things that I enjoy doing. And I drink water religiously. I used to never drink water because I don't like it. This has helped me try to get away from soda, or as much soda. Now when I do drink soda, I drink 0 sugar. But this has helped tremendously because it basically replaces that flavor you're missing of soda. So hopefully that helps somebody. But yeah, it's fun. It's a lot of fun. And I have several tumblers, and I also have the circle tumbler, and I can just turn the straw to 0 so I don't get any flavor out of the straw, the filter, and then just put my flavored water in there and take it with me wherever I go. So I always have flavored water with me, and then I take these packs and put them in my bag or purse or whatever and haul it with me. I'm never without these things, depending on what mood I'm in, what flavor I want, flavor combination. I always take extra just in case I were to run out. You know, you can also just dump it straight in a water bottle, disposable water bottle. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I've had fun with it, and I will continue having fun with it. I just wanted to show you all this, and I will show it also when I get it up on the wall. I think I need to find the stud to screw it into on the wall. Not sure. I don't. These walls are so thin. I'm sure I need to find a stud and do a pilot hole and drill into it, and then put my wood screws. And so I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will be bringing y'all more videos. My schedule is changing where I'm going to start working more day shifts. Yay! And so I will be available more in the evenings, earlier evenings, and I won't be getting home at 11:30 at night any longer. I mean, I still have some I have to do, but you'll start seeing more of me. And you'll see more of me when I'm dressed for it. So, many life changes going on, many life changes going on. So, I will catch y'all on the next one. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks. Love y'all. Bye.